Welcome to another episode of Unwiring Tech. I'm your host Ranjana, and today we will be unwiring the latest issue regarding the ban of TikTok and its restoration in United States of America. TikTok has been a social media powerhouse for years, but its future has always been in question. Now, it's facing one of the biggest battles yet. What led to this moment? Why has TikTok been banned? And what does this mean for social media as a whole? Let's break it down. For those who don't know TikTok, TikTok is a social media platform for creating, sharing, and discovering short videos. It was launched in 2017 and is owned by a Chinese internet company, ByteDance. It is one of the world's most popular social media platforms with 1 billion users worldwide. The secret to TikTok's success? An ultra smart algorithm. Users were suddenly hooked on a never ending stream of tailored content, whether it was dance trends, food hacks, or viral challenges. Now let's understand the great American drama unfolding over TikTok. As TikTok so did concerns about its Chinese ownership, US officials feared that TikTok could be used for data collection, surveillance, or even propaganda. In 2020, President Donald Trump proposed a ban on TikTok. In the month of August of the same year, he signed an executive order instructing ByteDance to divest from the app. A month later, this order was blocked by a court order, and in 2021, it was reversed by the Biden administration. Here is where things started to get complicated. In 2029, TikTok paid $5.7 million in fines for violating US child privacy laws. In 2020, reports surfaced that TikTok was censoring content related to Hong Kong protests and human rights violations. In 2020, India became the first major country to ban TikTok, citing national security concerns amid border tensions with China. In 2021, the Pentagon advised US military personnel to delete TikTok from their phones. In 2022 and 23, US officials continued to raise alarms claiming that ByteDance employees in China had accessed non-public data from US users. These growing scrutiny led to calls for TikTok to either be banned or be forced to sell its US operations. Things went downhill for TikTok in 2024 when the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary Controlled Applications Act was enacted in Congress. Then came April 24, 2024, the day President Joe Biden signed a law requiring ByteDance to sell TikTok to a US company within a year or face an outright ban. The US government, citing heightened concern over users' data privacy and potential misuse by Chinese government, issued an executive order mandating app stores to remove TikTok and internet service providers to block access. The law passed required ByteDance to either sell the app to a US company or shut down operations in country by January 19, 2025. The deadline could be extended by 90 days if a sale was underway. ByteDance fought back, claiming that the law violated First Amendment rights and that the security risks were exaggerated. But the US Supreme Court disagreed, upholding the law and forcing TikTok's shutdown in America. During Supreme Court arguments, TikTok warned that the platform would shut down when the law went into effect, explaining that it would be extraordinarily difficult for divestiture to occur under any timeline because the Chinese government opposes a sale of the algorithm that powers the platform by tailoring video recommendation to each other. Trump signaled that he would most likely issue a 90 days extension on the TikTok ban, saying an announcement would probably come Monday, though he did not definitely say whether he would do so. On January 18, 2025, at approximately 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time, TikTok suspended its service in the United States after ByteDance refused to divest before the deadline. TikTok went off for 12 long hours, and its 170 million users in the US had no access to it. Some iPhone users were cashing in on unusual opportunity created by TikTok's brief absence from the Apple and Google App Stores in the United States. According to a report by USA Today, as the popular social media app remains unavailable for new downloads, iPhones with TikTok already installed are popping up on eBay, with some sellers demanding mind boggling prices of up to $25,000, that is roughly 21.6 lakh rupees. The story doesn't end here. On 20th January 2025, after the suspension of services took effect, Donald Trump signed an executive order that halted the ban on the app for 75 days. He also indicated on Truth Social, an alt-tech social media platform owned by Trump, that he would issue an executive order on the day of his inauguration to extend the period of time before law's prohibition take effect. Following this, TikTok began restoring services. In a post on X, they stated that Trump provided assurance to our service providers that they will face no penalties. Later on the same day, Speaker of the House Mike Johnson commented that his expectation is that TikTok would again be available on our app stores only after Trump forces a true divestiture, changing of hands the ownership of TikTok from ByteDance to a US company. It is important for us to note the implications of this ban. According to CNBC, if the app were to shut down, American small businesses alone would lose more than $1 billion in revenue. On top of that, nearly 2 million creators could lose out on $300 million in earnings. TikTok itself could see a 29% drop in its projected global advertising revenue for 2025. According to Oxford Economics, more than 7 million US businesses use TikTok to reach customers, with 69% of those businesses reporting increased sales thanks to the app. In fact, 39% of businesses claim TikTok's platform is critical to their very existence, said the news report. This case highlights how social media has become the new oil. It has sought the attention of even the constitutional courts and has nudged the lawmakers to regulate it. For now, the existence of TikTok seems to be out of danger in US. However, will Trump be able to save TikTok as he claims? Only time will be able to tell. Now, why did India ban TikTok 5 years ago? In June 2020, India's Ministry of Electronics and IT banned TikTok along with 59 other Chinese apps, citing national security concerns. These apps, including ShareIt, Me Video Call, Cam Scanner, and Club Factory, were accused of misusing users' data and transmitting it to unauthorized servers outside India. The ban did not just happen in isolation, it was a response to rising tensions between India and China at the border. The Indian government saw these apps as potential threats to national sovereignty and data security. Officials claimed that data mining and profiling were happening through these platforms, with the risk of sensitive information being accessed by hostile entities. That's all for today's episode in Unwiring Tech. Until next time, stay updated and stay safe. Thank you.